Hello guys, in this video we will learn JavaScript variables step by step with the 6 simple examples. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything slowly and clearly. First of all, we learn what is variable. First, understand this, a variable like a box. We use this box to store data, examples, name, age, marks, city. All these values can be stored inside variable. First, we can see real example. Imagine we have a water bottle name equal to variable. Let name is equal to Akhil. Let means I am creating a variable. Name is the variable name. This is the box name. This is value stored inside the variable. JavaScript we can use console.log. After this we can run this file in server, and I inspect this. So see the value is shown. Mainly three types of variables in JavaScript: var, let, constant. Var is old method, let is modern method, constant is it means a constant fixed value we can use. So first learn about var. Var name equal to okay. So this is var. Why we don't use var if the value is showing same Akhil, but the difference between letter and var is if I try to update value, you can try it. If I try to update value in var, it will be updated. So this is the problem in var. If real programs we have lot of codes, if we try to write same variables, it will shows error. So in this modern method we can don't use var. So this is the difference between var. So first next we learn about let. It is modern way. See here the same, it's look like a var and let same, but the difference is if I try to add another data, same variable name, like it will shows error because we already declared the variable name. So this is the difference between var and let. And what is constant? Constant has fixed value. If you take any constant like constant name equal to this is fixed value, like so constant city equal to city, it is fixed value. First we check in console, showing India, but I try to change city equal to Delhi, but it shows error because we already declared value. So this is the difference between constant and let. If you try to let the The same we can change let, but the city will be updated because of we can use let to change data, but what we want to change data, like we can name try to change another name. So this is the variables. Today we learn what is variable, where, let, constant, console.log, changing values, rules of variables. Practice these examples yourself. Ending, if this video helped you, like this video, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials.